Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of TapLab, and today I'm going to show you how to sell your stocks within the Cash App. Okay, so here we are within the Cash App. If you're looking to sell your stocks within the Cash App, you probably know what this is. You're familiar with it, as sort of a wallet, a card, peer-to-peer payments, and the investment section. And I've just started this. I've bought some. Now we're going to go ahead and sell. I'm going to show you how to sell. If you want to learn more about the app and how to buy, check out my previous video. I'm also going to do an experiment on my other channel where I buy $1 of stocks every single day using Cash App, and that will be linked down in the description. Now, in order to sell your stocks, you want to scroll down to where it says My Portfolio. You can then tap on these. Right now, I've only bought $1 of Tesla, but you can tap on that, and then you'll see the sell button in the bottom right. So let's go ahead and tap on sell. It's going to have me confirm my PIN. It's going to give me the sell order details. So sell $1 of Tesla, funding source Cash App, market order, approximate share price, approximate shares, symbol, total sale amount $1, government fees 1 cent. So it does look like there's about a 1% fee on sells. And for this sell, I will get 99 cents. This is a 1 cent loss, but it's just an example for the video. I'm going to tap confirm. And just like that, I've sold my $1 of Tesla stock. So now you can see I don't own any Tesla stock here, and I have nothing in my portfolio. And if we go to my wallet section, you'll see that there is $1 extra in here. So when you sell, it basically just goes back to your wallet. Then you can transfer it back to your debit card or your bank account or whatever if you want to do that. Or you can just keep it stored in your Cash App wallet. Yeah, there you go. That's how to sell your stocks using Cash App. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Also, check out the Cash App playlist where I have tons of Cash App videos. You can learn all about it. I also do an experiment buying $1 of Bitcoin every single day, so you can check that out. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go hard.